What's happening, guys? Craig here, showing you how I'm trading on BitMEX. Oh man, this is super exciting times we're living in. Let me just tell you, drop everything you're doing and just focus on this, right? Just focus on this one. You can hear my voice is still groggy. I had like 3 hours sleep, 4 hours sleep, but I'm wide awake, full of energy, ready to do this. This is one of my smaller accounts on BitMEX. Putting in another entry. Just waiting for the price to come to me, and yeah, looking to rock out some nice profits there. Just playing around with some exits, you know. But any which way, we're going up and we're making this money, right? So if I exited 9,000, I'm gonna be sitting pretty at about $2,000 maybe, or just under that. And if we exit at 10,000, I'm not going too crazy on the leverage. I can go 25 if I want, but I got a couple things to do today, and can go crazy on the leverage here. Let me see if I can do this. 25. Yeah, it's not looking too bad. 0.6 and 0.7. What? Really? Hold on. Maybe I should go 25. 1.2 Bitcoin profit. Help me now. This is 25. Okay, let me just see where I get liquidated. I might just take the chance, people. I might just take that chance. Just make sure. So yeah, I might just take a chance. So guys, get in. Let's make this money. Let's make this Bitcoin. Let's go. Order fill, guys. I caught the price. Check it out. I caught it. I'm in like Flint. Let's get this sunshine and liberty. Let's get this money. This is Moon Lambo all over again. Deja vu, dude. Cheers, guys.